Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So bacha, today I am here with a very important video. Okay, we all need this because exams is in one day, math exam is in one day. Okay, we don't have much time left. Okay, so again now for all those who are very much prepared with this syllabus, everything, all the best. Very good that you have done a very great job. But if you're somebody who's struggling to pick out the chapters, sir, what should I do? I keep getting the comments, right? Sir, should I solve this 550 questions? Should I solve this 40 questions? Should I solve this 80 questions? Like that is unhealthy way to study bacha. I'll tell you what, do one thing, pick these chapters that I'm going to tell you today. So I'll tell you 6 top chapters that if you pick, you can pass very comfortably. Okay, I'll tell you 8 to 9 chapters. So I'll tell you all the analysis, okay, from all the chapters that you can pick based upon your comfort. Let's say I'm better in integration, sir, so I'll pick integration, sir. Let's say I'm struggling in integration, so I'll leave integration, sir, and I can still score 70 plus marks. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If you leave integration as well, you can still score 65 to 70 marks easily. I'm telling you that. Okay, so how to deal with all of that, how to assess your whole last day of picking the right topics to study, right topic to revise, basically right topic to master. Okay, so I know time is very important for all of you, so let's quickly start the session we have coming for us. Okay, so Asha, before I start the session, bacha, I have to ask all of you to join this Abhyas KCET test series. Reason being, for your coming KCET examination, in 2 weeks your boards will be over, bacha. Okay, then you have KCETs coming up. Okay, so please make sure that you purchase this test series right now. We have almost 25 years of experience in the field of KCET examination. If you check out our results and everything is so good, so we want you to be part of our journey, and we want us to be part of your journey. Okay, how can you do that? Purchase this test series right now. We have given you 4 free tests. Take the free trial at 0 rupees. Okay, and again enroll for the full syllabus 31 paid test coming from 17th of March at cost of 14.99. What do you get in this test series, sir? As I said, 4 free and 31 paid tests, which will have both full syllabus and chapter wise test. Okay, again you'll have detailed video, solution and analysis, chapter wise one short revision video, chapter wise insight for last 5 years of KCET papers. Not only that, you'll also get bacha a live exam experience. Means you will actually write the examination live. You can solve the questions, you can pick the questions as the options given to you. Of course it will be online, but you can get to write the paper live, sir, which is very, very good. Okay, exam you can actually practice to be there. Time management, everything can be assessed properly and improved as well. Let's quickly move on now. So now what is the important thing over here? So as I said, I'll talk about your chapters, and then I'll tell you what are there in the chapters, what to pick as per your your comfort, your desire. Okay, for example, check here chapter wise weightage. If you check, bacha, for matrices we have 9 marks. Again, this is for a total of 120 marks, sir. Okay, means including the optional questions as well. Means I can choose one question, like that. Okay, but even let's say you choose a question, bacha, so don't worry, I'll tell you everything. So we have matrices over here 9 marks. Okay, determinants is 12 marks. These are easy chapters, sir, isn't it? So determinants, only difficult thing can be finding the A inverse. But if you practice that part only, practice the finding A inverse, that's the most difficult question in the determinant, is it not? Tell me any other difficult question in determinant, sir, which takes time, finding A inverse or finding the inverse of the given matrix. So that if you practice, that's the highest or most difficult question there. Okay, in matrices, sir, only difficult problem is taking time in solving of multiplication of the 3 cross 3 matrix. Everything is easy, sir, except for all is easy. A square, A cube is the only thing which takes time, finding the A square, finding the A cube. All of you agree? Okay, but apart from that, everything is very easy, so just work on that. You get 21 marks over here. Okay, again LPP, sir, though this has to be a must, as I keep saying, I've done so many questions on that. 6 marks is free for you. Okay, LPP and AOI, please check here. AOI is there, bacha, 5 marks. I've told you to revise questions from ellipse, circle, parabola, straight line, and combination of parabola and straight line. I'll repeat myself: circles, ellipse, combination of parabola, parabola and straight line, and simply straight line. Don't forget to apply modulus for negative areas. Okay, chaliye. So AOI carries 5 marks there. C and D, sir, difficult chapter? Not at all. Differentiation and continuity, but very easy. What can they ask you? Second derivative based questions can be asked. Continuity definition based questions can be asked. So 17 marks worth. MCQ, bacha, I'm telling you, 3-4 MCQs can come from C and D chapter. So very, very important. Out of 15, if you're getting 3 questions from C and D and let's say 4 questions from C and D and AOD, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, so please revise this very carefully. Okay, next what we have, vectors. Vectors and 3D, I keep telling you, if you know the formulas, you get the answer like this. One derivation is there, couple of derivations, so you just practice that as well. But if you know the formula, 14 marks is right away over here. R and F, sir, this is very easy. Finding the given relation to be equivalence and finding the bijective function, 1 1 on 2, like that. Okay, 9 marks over there. Okay, ITF bacha again carries for 6 marks. Over here one question is for 3 marks and 5 marks, right? Can be asked in 3 marks also, can be asked in 5 marks also. Okay, we have ITF for 6 marks. Very easy chapter, extremely easy. 1 to 2 MCQ can come, and 1 2 marker and 1 3 marker can be asked like that. Okay, please check. Total this, if you take sum, will become 78 marks. Again, I'm telling you, these are all easy chapters, bacha. Very easy chapters. Let's move on now. What we have now, some chapters which will be little challenging. Why, sir? Probability is easy, sir. No, sir. But just what happens? Some students find it difficult to solve questions on Bayes theorem. They might, make some mistakes over there and lose marks. Okay, it takes times to get the question at times if it's a new question. Okay, so I'm asking you. This is little bit challenging. 8 marks is there. AOD sometimes it becomes challenging. That's I've kept it over here. Integration, bacha, 18 marks. Again, I feel it is very easy, but if you feel it is very difficult, no, then what, you can skip it. But I'll tell you what, do not skip integration from questions from MCQ. Reason being, MCQ of integration will be very easy, bacha. It will be directly based upon, I'm asking you to do what? From here, please check. From the integration, no, you do not skip the MCQs, because this will be based upon only 2 things, simply formula, okay, or bacha, it will be based upon your substitutions, and not difficult ones, sir. Easy ones only. Okay, like trigonometric substitution can be there, logarithm substitution can be there. Okay, as I said, trigonometric and logarithm substitution is very important. I can write it over here for you. Trigonometric. Again, ITF based also can be there. ITF and logarithmic. Sir, you have written everything, but it is very easy, no? I know I've written everything, no, because I want to cover up every possibility in the substitution. That's why. Okay, and again, if something is there, no, they want to ask, they can ask questions on definite also. Definite integral they can also ask, bacha. Basically on odd even function like that they can ask, no. One question can be asked there. So integration question is coming because 18 marks weightage is there, no. MCQ don't skip there. Don't skip. Even in the fill in the blanks, this can be asked, bacha. This can be asked in fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay, what is DE, bacha? D is again I find very easy, but if you are somebody who finds it difficult, you can skip it over here. Okay, now this is just analysis of your paper from all the chapters that is there. Now if you look at chapters to master, means if you do this a must, you get a very good marks. Check this out, please check. Again, I've written the first slide only. Matrix is 9 marks, determinant 12 marks, like that. If you do that, 78 marks. So do I get 78 marks out of these chapters? No. I'll tell you why. Honestly, I'm telling you why it can't be 78 marks, because sir, this is out of 120, no? So sir, will I get half of this? Not that as well. Why? Because think about it. What happens? I'm telling you maximum out of the 78, no? You might see 10 marks over there, 10 to 12 marks. 10 to 12 marks of questions. What will happen? You can't choose them. For example, let's say in section C we are talking about, section C. Okay, in section C I know I have to solve only 6 questions. Okay, but I know 7 and 8 as well. I've got 6 right. I know 1 question extra also right. But can you solve it? Even if you solve it, you won't get marks there, right? That's what I'm saying. So 10 to 12 marks will be of no use to you. Even though this sum is total is 78, but 10 to 12 marks, bacha, will be of no use to you. So remove here 12 marks, let's say. Okay, remove here 12 marks, let's say. What are you gonna get? Please check. 66, right? 66 you are getting. So even if you take it close to 60, bacha, if you get right for 66 and you get 60 marks, that's a very good marks, right? Out of these chapters, if you're taking a very easy chapters, no? Matrix is very easy. Determinant, LPP, C and D, OI, vectors, 3D, R and F, and ITF. So each chapters you have to study for sure. Not just study, master. Give this as highest priority. Make this life. You get this around 60 marks coming from this chapter only. Okay, so please maximize your effort in these chapters. Okay, and of course I'm not asking you to leave anything. I have done all of this, bacha. I have done all the chapters in detail in all the sessions I've taken. 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, a complete revision. There's model paper, passing package, everything has been done for all of you. I've solved similar questions, difficult questions, Chakravyuh has been done. Okay, Brahmas has been done, everything has been done. So please go ahead. If you need to, check any of the sessions that you need. Okay, again, be a little quick. You don't have time to do all of that, no? So be a little quick. Watch the video a little faster. Okay, but if you do that, you get to score around 66 to 60 marks. That's what I'm talking about. Now if you check out this, out of the these chapters listed over here, you have these chapters very easy, extremely easy, sir. What are those? LPP, AOI, okay, ITF, very easy. Again you have, sir, RNF, 3D, C and D, which carries almost how much? 49 marks. So at least I've given here 1 2 3 4 5 6 chapters. If you take this out, you're still scoring 49 marks. Okay, and why I'm saying here 49 marks, sir? Why not less than that? But this 6 question you can choose, no 6 marker LPP. It's a must. Okay, 6 marks over here. AOI 5 marks is a must. Okay, ITF questions comes in where bacha 2 marker, 1 marker, 1 marker, maximum in 3 marker. Not even 3 marker actually. So it can come in your MCQs and it can come in your where bacha in 2 marker category. So again you can choose that part as well. Okay, RNF again you can choose a 5 marker in RNF and MCQs or 2 marker. Okay, what you have 3D, sir. Choose those questions. If you do that, you easily score 49 plus. Minimum 49 I've taken from the weightage that is given from a blueprint, but you can choose this and get more than that as well. Okay, so there are 6 very easy chapters. You can revise this all of this in I think 2 to 3 hours. Sit for 2 hours, 3 hours, you're gonna revise all the 3 chapters, all the 6 chapters. Won't you all agree? So these are the this is my analysis, my understanding of your entire your PU2 boards portions, your chapters. But I'm telling you, if you are doing this all 8 to 9 chapters are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 total I have taken here 9 chapters bacha. If I do that, I'm easily getting, sir, almost 66 marks. Almost 66 marks. That is a very good marks, right? 66 is very good marks. If you have a good internal as well, you get very good marks in your boards. Okay. Now again, I've done all these sessions. Please check. I've done on marker, 5 marker, 2 3 marker. Okay. You have all formula video. You have passing package. Please go through it if you have any requirement, and even if you don't have, if you want a final revision, no, watch the sessions. And I've done your all 3, not 1, not 2, all 3 sample papers. Sorry, model paper has been done by you both. Whichever is given to you, we've done it. And again in my sessions I've referred PYQs, model question paper questions, and what is there, your question bank from the KEA. So I've taken only standard questions bacha. Even though you might find in some sessions questions are repetitive. For example, sir, 1 marker is there and PYQ is there, sir. So of course questions will be repetitive, no? But I have taken only questions from your PYQ section, your NCRT section, okay, and your bacha, very important, your question bank from the boards. Very good questions I've taken. So please solve all of these that I've done for all of you. Okay, please don't forget to let me know whatever are your queries. And I'm telling you what, I'm coming live, okay, on the day of your Kannada exam on 1st March, okay, and we'll stay to solve all of your concerns. So leave your doubts in the comment section of any of our videos. We have given you a form, leave your doubts there as well. Okay, and again you can ask your doubts in the live session as well. I'll be there. I'll revise your important chapters, and if the formulas, everything, we'll solve questions as well, we'll solve MCQ as well, we'll do all of that. Okay, we'll do all of that, but be there to ask your doubts. Okay, so with this I'm going to end the session today. I hope to see you soon again, very soon. Okay, just keep working hard, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.